Hi, this is Joan Pratt with RE/MAX Professionals. Thank you for watching another one of my videos showing off one of our awesome new listings. This property is located in South Castle Rock in Bell Mountain Ranch. We are at 717 Chandelle Road, and the really cool thing about it is this home is owned by the original owners who are the builders as well. So we have all the plans. There's lots of neat customizations that we'll get to talk to you about. And it even has an elevator. So we're gonna go check out the elevator because I think that's really cool. And then you get to take a tour of the rest of the property too. So come on, let's take a look. So this is a ranch style home with main floor living. On the main floor, we have the master suite. There is an office in between and a secondary guest bedroom as well. One of the really neat things about this property is the 180 panoramic views, and they just go from wall to wall. We'll show you a little bit more about that later, but let's check out this elevator. So there's a button here, you press that and it comes up. Open this up. Come on inside. I'm gonna press the button and our camera crew is gonna meet you on the other side. And just like that, you are downstairs in the lower level of this home. You can move furniture. That is a seat that our homeowners use to get up and down the elevator, but how neat is that to have that already built in for your home? Most of our clients that are looking at a property like this are someone that might have a 2-story now, and maybe they're just trying to plan for the future. If they blow out a knee, or maybe they have an elderly family member that needs to come live with them. This house is perfect for multifamily living. The basement here is a walkout basement, and you really do not feel like you are in a basement. If we can kind of look out the windows here, you will just see lots of green, lots of nature. It's so beautiful. There's even a little shed down there. This is a wood-burning fireplace here in the basement. And the house is heated with radiant heated floors. So that's another really neat feature of the home. Come take a look at this beautiful patio. The mountain views are peeking over the hills, but you can see the privacy that a home like this offers. Every little detail has been thought of for you, including the second driveway. The deck is sealed, so you could actually enjoy this area in the winter as well. Well, what did you think? Could this be your next dream home? Do you know of someone else that might really value a home like this? Did you have a chance to check out that workshop? It's really awesome also. So if this is your dream home, please reach out to us. We would love to schedule a private showing for you. If this isn't, but you know someone, would you mind sharing this? These videos we're hearing over and over again how helpful these videos are. So if they're helpful to you too, can you also click a thumbs up or a like or a subscribe? We'd love to have you watch our YouTube channel and to get connected with us as we tour all these beautiful homes. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.